Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for the opportunity for me to be able to lend my voice to this particular debate. Actually, this is the most interesting debate I've had since I came to Parliament. This is really what we are supposed to be doing. Even though we don't agree with each other, the fact that we are interrogating laws that will affect Kenyans is what we are hired by the Kenyan people to do. My reading of Section 79 is that it already provides for referrals. Not in great detail, but loosely. And that is not a bad thing. Over-regulation is the danger that we are going to face should this amendment brought in be approved by this House. When you over-regulate, then you run into the danger of some bureaucratic process getting involved in critical life and death or health decisions of individuals. Already, we have the Ministry of Health historically has even problems of transferring medicines from the central government down to the county levels or the village dispensaries. Now you're giving them an extra task, an extra bureaucracy, that they will now make rules and decide how you decide to seek medical attention. I can tell you, if you allow those regulations to be made, what's going to happen is several people will die while they are seeking for medical help. Just getting someone to see a doctor in a public hospital or even to get to a theater in a public hospital is a nightmare already. Now you're telling me they will be deciding who travels to whichever country to seek medical attention. They are not capable or do not have the bureaucratic machinery to do that to that detail. I would hate to think that today people go and seek for treatment overseas. Why? We lack the technology or the know-how or cheaply available treatments in the country. That's why people seek medical attention abroad. The decision on what kind of medical attention I would like to have is between me and my doctor. And if my doctor does something wrong, there is a medical practitioners board that can discipline that individual doctor. We do not need the ministry managing them. And if, as proposed by Honorable Didimas Baraza, there is a need to rein in rogue doctors who are referring people unnecessarily, that can be dealt with by the doctors, medical practitioners board. It doesn't have to, because that's a problem of an individual doctor. It is not a national problem. We cannot get national policy solutions for individual and professional individuals. That is the wrong way to go. Then in that case, we will now begin to say that okay, you can have your point.
Did you have informed by the Honorable Osoro?
No, I doubt there is anything he can inform me. I was actually his law teacher, so I doubt that he can have any superior knowledge that whatever he knows, I taught him. Whatever he doesn't know, I plan to teach him. So we will continue with the lesson. Yes, so that is the challenge. Yes, there is challenges of rogue doctors. There is challenges of unnecessary referrals, we agree. But trying to get another bureaucratic machinery to regulate it is even getting us into even deeper problems, because they do not have the capacity. You can't tell me they'll start supervising which doctors 50 million Kenyans go to when they can't even give them access to medical care as we speak today. Let us not put more burden on that ministry. And for that reason, I support the decision by the committee. Thank you.
Member for Funyula.
Honorable Speaker, thank you for giving me an opportunity to comment on the Health Amendment Bill number 20 of 2022. Honorable Speaker, the cardinal role of a legislator is to pass laws. So from a policy point of view, from a practice point of view, we should allow